Hi, this is John with WTI, and these are my sunglasses that I use now in this summer. So, summer is here. It's getting hot in my country, over 35, 36, but with the temperature of almost 40 degrees Celsius, these sunglasses, polarized sunglasses, are so nice. So, one of the things that I like about this, all right, first is polarized. So, whenever you hit the sun, you feel like some protection in your eyes. But something I like about this is that it's up to date. Looks nice, modern, slick looking. I already have a couple of good compliments from this sunglasses so far. It's great, made out of good materials. So I'm a clumsy person, so I've been moving a lot, and sometimes they fall from my hands. Yes, that happens. But if you're looking for a great pair of sunglasses that they're going to do the job for you, is going to look stylish, and they're polarized at the same time, and you don't want to look trendy while you're in this summertime, these ones are good. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.